Hi everyone! As you can see, I'm still having a lot of fun with my Snowman of the Old Masters series. And with my last painting, I asked you guys if you had any suggestions and what kind of Old Masters painting I could use to make another snowman out of. Nanette suggested Grant Wood's American Gothic, Whistler's Mother, and Botticelli's Birth of Venus. So I've done the first two already, and I did those many years ago when I first started this series. However, I'm very interested in working on the Birth of Venus pretty soon. But today I'm going to follow Watchit's suggestion with Matisse's Woman with a Hat. And if you guys enjoy the series and would like to see me paint one of the Old Masters painting as a snowman, please let me know. I'd be happy to follow your suggestion. I've painted quite a few so far, but there's many more out there. So put your suggestions in the comments below and we'll all have fun together. So as usual, I started with a sketch of the painting with the face transformed into a snowman, or snow woman this time, and I traced that sketch and transferred it onto my small canvas. It's a very small canvas, it's 2.5 by 3.5 inches, and I always find it fun to paint on those tiny little things. They're really cute. I have small easels that go with them as well. Now I always try to paint the edges also, so that you can just rest the painting on the easel and it looks really pretty because it's painted all the way around. And I tried again to restrict myself to a set amount of colors. So I looked at the original painting and tried to see what colors was in it, and I picked some colors that I could use as is and also mix together to reproduce the colors that I saw in the original painting. So with the colors that I had on hand, I had a cadmium red medium hue, a brilliant purple, a cadmium yellow medium hue, an ultramarine blue, and a white, because I think there was a lot of white in that painting. A lot of colors were toned down with the white. And I wanted to create my black myself, but I was observing the original painting. It kind of looked like Matisse might have used a black out of the two because it looked really black. It didn't look like it was a blend of different colors. So while I tried to make a black with the colors that I had, I was not satisfied. It was not black enough. So I ended up using a Mars black. That's the only black that I have in acrylic right now. And I think it stood out just as much as Matisse made it stand out in his painting. So I thought that was a good decision. Now, to tell you the truth, I'm not a big fan of his. I don't get his paintings very much. I don't know. It's hard to explain. It's just a matter of taste, I guess. He's supposed to be a painter of colors, and you can tell when you look at all his paintings, there's a lot of colors, but I don't understand. I don't understand how he uses his colors. I'm thinking there must be a reason behind all his splotches of colors, and they look good together. That I agree. And I also don't know if he chose to put some particular colors first and then others. So, you know, I'm not really familiar with how he paints anyway. So what I tried to do is do the mixes of colors that I could see on his painting and put them all over the canvas wherever I saw them, and then I made another mix of colors and I put it wherever I saw it. So I didn't have an actual technique and a plan of action when I painted this. I just tried to put all those splotches of colors wherever I saw them. That said, it was a lot of fun and very freeing because you're not trying to recreate a super detailed painting. And I think he just put the colors where he actually saw them on his model and probably exaggerated them. Well, that's my best guess anyway. And I didn't try to recreate his brush strokes 100% the same way. I just did the best I could and gave the idea of, you know, this is where the colors are on his painting, so that's where I'm going to put mine. So yeah, it was a lot of fun and definitely something interesting to do. And I've never done any paintings with a black outline before, so that was something different and I liked it. I really did. Well, that's it for today's painting, and Again, if you want to see a particular one in the future, put a suggestion in the comments below and I'll see what the painting looks like if I am not familiar with it, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.